Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Physics by Arun video channel. In this week we are going to solve some multiple choice questions in the chapter Electrostatics, which is in your class 12 syllabus. Okay, what is the question? The question is, two charged spherical conductors of radius R1 and R2, that is spheres, that's the conducting spheres, are connected by a wire. Then the ratio of surface charge densities of the spheres sigma 1 by sigma 2 is perfect. Option A, option 1 R1 by R2, 2 R2 by R1, 3 square root of R1 by R2 and 4 R1 square by R2 square. This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2021. How to solve this problem? Okay. So the potential of a spherical conductor is given by V is equal to K into Q by R. What do you know very well? What is the value of K is 1 by 4 by epsilon naught. It doesn't matter. Anyway, K into Q1 by R. So V1 is equal to KQ1 by R1 and V2 is equal to KQ2 by R2. R1, R2, radii of the spheres, Q1 and Q2, charges of the spheres, and V1 and V2 are the potentials of the spherical conductors, spheres. When the two conductors are connected by a wire, the charges will redistribute until their potentials become equal. So when they are connected by a wire, charges will be redistributed. Charges will be flowing from one sphere to the another sphere until their potential becomes equal. Okay. So now that means what? After redistribution, V1 will be equal to V2. So instead of V1, you put KQ1 by R1. Instead of V2, you put KQ2 by R2. You can cancel K on both sides. Then you will get Q1 by R1 is equal to Q2 by R2. Let it be equation 1. The formula, the equation for the surface charge density is sigma is equal to Q by Q. What is Q? Charge on the sphere. What is A? Area of the sphere. What is the area of the sphere? 4 pi r square. So Q by 4 pi r square. Okay. So that is Q. Now you keep Q here and 4 pi r square to the bring 4 pi r square to the other side. So Q is equal to sigma into 4 pi r square. This is a general formula. Now we can write the charge possessed by the first sphere is Q1, that is equal to its surface charge density sigma 1 into 4 pi, its radius R1 square. Similarly for Q2, you can write Q2 is equal to sigma 2 into 4 pi R2 square. That's all. Now you can substitute the value of Q1 and Q2 in this equation 1. Okay. Now you can substituting the values in equation 1, which equation Q1 by R1 is equal to Q2 by R2. So instead of Q1, sigma 1 4 pi R1 square divided by R1 in the R1 is equal to, instead of Q2, sigma 2 4 pi R2 square divided by R2. So 4 pi this side, 4 pi that side, it cancels. R1 square by R1, only R1 remains. R2 square by R2, only R2 remains. That means what? Sigma 1 into R1 is equal to sigma 2 into R2. It means what? Put sigma 2 this side and put R1 on that side. So sigma 1 by sigma 2 is equal to R2 divided by R1. Okay? It is the ratio of surface charge densities of the spheres is sigma 1 by sigma 2 is equal to R2 by R1. Option 2 is the right answer. Okay? Answer 2 is the right answer. Okay? We will see one more question in the electrostatics chapter in our next video. Totally we will see at about 6 multiple choice questions from this chapter in this week. So see you tomorrow. Thank you one and all.